Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home. It protects your family, your belongings, and the structure itself. But like anything else, it doesn't last forever. Knowing when it's time for an upgrade can save you from costly repairs and unexpected damage. If you're unsure about your roof's condition, here are the top signs you may need a roofing upgrade from C&G Remodeling and Roofing. One of the most obvious indicators is the age of your roof. Most roofing systems have a lifespan of 20 to 30 years, depending on the materials used. If your roof is approaching or has exceeded this range, it's time to start considering a replacement. Even if it looks fine from the ground, underlying issues may already be developing. Another common sign is missing, cracked, or curling shingles. Shingles are your roof's first line of defense against the elements. When they begin to deteriorate, your roof becomes vulnerable to leaks and water damage. If you notice shingles in your yard after a storm or see visible wear, it's a clear signal that your roof needs attention. Water damage inside your home is also a major red flag. Stains on your ceilings or walls, peeling paint, or unexplained mold growth can all point to a failing roof. These issues often mean water is seeping through damaged areas, and delaying repairs can lead to more extensive structural problems. C&G Remodeling and Roofing can assess the source and recommend whether a repair or full upgrade is the best solution. Sagging areas on your roof should never be ignored. A sagging roof often indicates structural damage, possibly caused by prolonged moisture exposure or weakened supports. This is not just a cosmetic issue, it's a safety concern. If you notice any uneven or drooping sections, it's crucial to have professionals inspect it right away. Rising energy bills can also be linked to your roof's condition. An old or damaged roof may not provide proper insulation, allowing heat to escape during cooler months and enter during warmer ones. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, increasing your energy costs. Upgrading your roof with modern, energy-efficient materials can significantly improve your home's comfort and reduce utility bills. Granules in your gutters are another subtle but important sign. Asphalt shingles shed granules as they age, and these granules often end up in your gutters. If you notice an unusual buildup, it's a sign your shingles are wearing out and losing their effectiveness. Frequent repairs are another indication that a full upgrade may be more cost-effective. If you find yourself repeatedly fixing leaks or replacing shingles, those costs can quickly add up. Investing in a new roof from C&G Remodeling and Roofing can provide long-term peace of mind and eliminate the need for constant maintenance. Storm damage is also a key factor to consider. High winds, hail, and heavy rain can weaken your roof, even if the damage isn't immediately visible. After a major storm, it's wise to schedule a professional inspection to ensure your roof is still in good condition. Ultimately, being proactive about your roof can save you time, money, and stress. If you've noticed any of these signs, it may be time to consider an upgrade. C&G Remodeling and Roofing offers expert evaluations, high-quality materials, and professional installation to ensure your home stays protected for years to come. Don't wait until small issues turn into major problems. Take the next step toward a safer, more secure home today.